there, it is Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl with Erin. Hi, Erin.
Hi, Lisa.
Erin and I went to a weird little liquor store / convenience store / I don't know, everything, you know, the places that sell lottery tickets and ice and cigarettes and giant pickles. This pickle was $8. $8. This pickle is berry flavored and it is berry sour. Oh no.
Oh boy, is it? Okay. Yeah.
I'm scared.
I am scared. And what do you do
I'm
with
nervous.
the juice? Are you supposed to like drink the juice?
No, you're supposed to drink the juice. Should we freeze it and make like an otter pop out of it?
Ooh, it's
Oh,
overflowing. Oh, you just flooded me with it.
oh, what?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is the weirdest looking thing I've ever seen. Ah!
What just happened?
What? I don't understand the color of this. 4.
Let us know if you would try this pickle. That was
1, 2,
nothing.
3.
I'm gonna swallow it.
The berry.
It doesn't taste like a berry. That's what I was gonna say. I get no
doesn't
berry.
taste like a berry at all.
It looks like a berry.
What do we do?
Look at this.
What do we do with this?
We're gonna give it to Josh.
Oh yeah, Josh. 1, 2, 3. Josh!